Hello everyone! I just got Animal Crossing New Horizons. I am so happy right now. You do not. I was jumping around once, oh my god, I was like, I kept jumping and like, my heart was bursting. I love the game so much. I love all Animal Crossing games. Oh my god. I can't believe this isn't even in my hands. I am so happy. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this and show you a little bit of it. So I have okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna continue opening this now. My food was ready, so yeah. Also, I changed locations to my upstairs. I am going to open this and then show you guys the box after I struggle with opening the package. Not really package, the foiling of this. My dad said to be more careful when I open stuff, but crumbled, gone in the trash, and none anymore. Okay, so the box, it looks super nice. I love the way this is designed. It's so cute. I love it. Like, it's so adorable. I love it so much. Oh my god. Also the sun. Like, Top Nook. I love and despise him at the same time. Oh my god. He's a money person and I love it. Like my dad. Oh, the inside even looks better. Oh my god. I love the inside look of this. That is amazing. I wanted this game for so long. Like, oh my god, my heart. I'm screaming on the inside right now, and it's just like, I'm so happy. I've never been this happy before. Like, oh my god. I would cry if I wasn't on camera. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. So, taking this out very carefully because it's very delicate. I love it. Okay. And this is the card for it, the cartridge for it. It's very blurry on the phone for some reason. Oh well. I'll take a picture of this later. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my Nintendo Switch. I was playing Zelda earlier. Gotta go grab my Zelda box for a bit and just like put it back in that because Breath of the Wild. Oh, I put my Super Mario Odyssey in Breath of the Wild. Whoopsies! The reason why I put that there is because I left my Super Mario Odyssey downstairs. So yeah, I'm going to take out my Zelda cartridge and bye bye Zelda for a bit. I will be back to playing you, I promise. But I'm so obsessed with Animal Crossing that maybe I might forget about you. I'm so sorry. Also, it comes with a book. I misplaced that. Oh god. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I am going to put it into my Nintendo Switch. Let me yeah. So it's not in yet. I'm pushing it. 3, 2, 1. I suck at this. Oh god. Okay, I put it in. And I had it already downloaded because I play Pocket Camp. Also, I don't know. I love Pocket Camp in a way. Also, ignore my feet. Yeah. I normally play out on the big screen over there, but yeah. Okay, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna hold my phone and select Animal Crossing New Horizons. Also, I love Animal Crossing. I have 2 accounts for that. Okay, next. I need to free my theater. This is the load screen. Oh no, my camera's backwards. Okay, there we go. The load screen is even gorgeous. I can't. So I need to buy a console so I could record here, but for now, you're gonna see me having to hold the camera like this. Good afternoon. We're so excited to have you here. Jimmy, I love you. Oh, sorry about that again because my dad just called me. Tired. Okay, so let us be the first to congratulate you on your wise decision to sign up for this adventure. Welcome to the check-in counter for your your deserted island getaway package. I need to. There's so much to look at. There's so much to look forward to. But first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Timmy, and with Nook Ink. And I'm Tommy. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Good. And I'm Tommy. We'll be flying you to your deserted island. I can't read. We'll be flying to the deserted island with you to help you get settled. Think of us as your partners. We're in it for the long haul. So let's get started, shall we? Yes, let's. I love you. Now then, we'll look up your application. Can we have your name and birthday? I go by Boalusica, so I'm gonna have an account where it's Kerdsiri and then this account Boalusica. Okay, let's see. I can barely see with my camera. Oops, I got rid of the A. I'm not used to this. Wait, I'm gonna spacebar this first. Oops. Dang, I don't know how to type anymore. L. I put L D. It feels like I'm gonna spell lucid someday. I keep putting a D. God damn. CICA. Yep. That's my name. I would never put offensive words. Since my birthday is actually April 28th, so I'm putting that. Actually, Boalusica's birthday is February 29th. I'm thinking about my birthday too much. Oh god. I'm like excited for my birthday at the same time. I hate using this one. I'm used to using the 3DS too often. There's so many different controls for like all of my stuff, so it's kind of annoying. Should I put my actually I'm gonna use my real birthday because 4 years not having to actually be at my birthday. April 28th. Yays. And confirm. Oh, it's plus to confirm. Yes, my birthday is April 28th. Gonna be 2 people's birthday at the same time, eh? Okay. Boalusica. Let's see. Oh, yes. Here you are. Why do I make them sound like a girls? Our next step will be to take a picture of you, Boalusica. I sound like I sound so weird. Okay.
Oh, don't worry. Take as much time as you need to get yourself looking just the way you want. We'll be ready when you are. You are.
I am female. I mean, how do I do this? I never. Okay, there we go. Why do I look like a guy? Give me a sec. I am going. No, I do. I am female. I am so confused. Confirm that one. No, 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 no. I'm dumb, okay? I'm sorry. How do I... Is there more options? No. I'll go with this one then. And I like gray hair. Or white. I go with white. No, like... That looks like I'm on an old lady. I wish there was pink and light blue or something. I'm just gonna go with brown. Now that brown looks kind of nice. I like that. I'm so passionate with this game. Oh my goodness. Oh, I keep forgetting which. I'm sorry about that. Why do I keep like pausing? Yeah. The eyes I normally go for are like the basic ones, like this one. But I do actually like these eyes, kinda. Give me a sec. No, these one. I kind of like these, honestly. I could change them anytime, but I might as well prefer this one for now. Hard to choose. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna draw a heart on my face once I do this triangle, because I remember actually doing. And then this one. I love cat mouses. Oh my god, that is adorable. Is there a way to draw on your face? I don't remember how I need. Okay, everything looks okay.
Great, you're all set. All set. I'll go take and add that picture to your records. And now, let's start talking about your new home. So exciting, exciting. You see, we're quite proud of the work we've done to help you feel comfortable in your new life. Oh yes, in fact, if you would, you can even experience the seasons the same way you're used to them. What I mean is, we have islands in both the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. We recommend choosing an island that has the same season patterns as your home. Your current home. So tell me, brothers, where do you live now? Let me know.
I live in North America.
Ah, excellent. This information really helps us focus on the right island for you. So naturally, we'd recommend you relocate to an island in the northern hemisphere. There are a few more decisions to make, but does that sound okay for you? Sound okay to you so far?
It sounds great.
Very good.
I kind of think of myself as an old lady. Oh my god. I remember this old lady. She's adorable. Um who played Animal Crossing New Leaf for 3 years. That video became viral. I love that. I love that video. I just love old people playing video games because it just gives me a sense of joy. Just like I'm so happy. They're like so cute. Okay.
Very good. You have a number of lovely uninhabited islands on the northern hemisphere to choose from. Now then, all of our islands are approximately the same size and they're quite all natural. So don't worry about whether you'll have enough space or comfort. You can't go wrong. Just follow your instincts and choose an island that with a layout that looks appealing. That's how I do it. I'll tell you some maps now, and you can choose the best one for your new home.
Okay, I'm gonna choose It's hard to choose. Oh my goodness. I'm having a really hard time choosing which one I should do. I'm hoping there's cherries. Cherries all the way. My town fruit has to be cherries. I'm joking. Next, I'm fine with that. I really love cherries. I also love peaches. Which one should I choose? I kind of like this one. Honestly, it kind of looks good to me. More organized. So I'm gonna choose this one.
Yes. Wonderful choice. I can't wait to show it off to you. But before we departure, I have just one final question for you. If you could only bring one thing with you to the island, what would it be?
Food. I would love something to kill time, but food. Food.
How interesting. Oh, I'm sorry. That was just a hypothetical question. Nick Inc. will fully cover all of your basic needs. Yes. Your attention, please.
This is the characters and package for getting ready for board.
Any customers waiting to board gateway at this time. Perfect timing. Come on, let's all board the plane together.
Oh my god, they're so cute. My heart will die. Hello. Thank you for taking the character to flight as part of the... Sit back, relax, and enjoy your complimentary video presentation about deserted island life. I watched the directs, I watched the trailers, I watched so many videos on Animal Crossing New Horizons. It's so pretty. I need to enjoy this moment. Also, if I'm not getting cherries, I am just so you guys know, I'm going to probably reset the world and try to get cherries. I'm gonna be so sorry. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I love winter. My house, I'm going to have to show you guys my house in Animal Crossing New Leaf because I I'm a girly. I am a yeah. I am a mess. I'm a very happy mess right now. Also, my video cut off because maximum space things. So I don't. Yeah, Nook Inc. I love you. Okay, so I think that's gonna be all for today's video. I'm going to be playing this game for a while and not gonna record it. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm lazy. Oh right, actually I should show this part. They arrive on the plane. Hits the water. Ooh, I got Sarah. Is that Sarah? I know it's a baby monkey thing, but yeah. And then a hippo. I'm kind of sad I didn't get the characters I really wanted, but yeah, it's fine.
Now, I know you must be incredibly excited to explore your new island home, but I have one small request. Would you please join us for a short orientation session in the nearby plaza? Our fearless leader himself will be giving a presentation, so I'd hate for you to miss it. We're heading there right now if you'd like to move.
The L thing to follow us. Okay. I guess that's all. Anyways, I would show you guys the Tom Nook part. I'll do that probably later. I'm gonna be sorry you guys for not showing this, but yeah. I don't remember this hippo's name, honestly. It's Biff. Okay. Biff, get out of my town because I hate you. I'm so sorry. I'm not a big fan of the hippos in this game. I like some of them, but the others, no. No. Biff, you're not. I don't like you.
You seem cool, but I don't want you in my town, okay?
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna be done with that now. I'll see you guys later. Bye!